Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
Sun. Sunny. It's sunny today. Bright. The sunlight was very bright. Blazing. The sun was blazing down that afternoon. Sunlight. The sunlight was very bright. Sunshine. The bay glittered in the sunshine. Rain. Drizzle. Light drizzle fell all afternoon. Pouring. It's pouring with rain. Raining. It's raining today. Lash. The rain lashed against the windows. Rainbow. A bright rainbow arched above. Downpour. My, what a downpour! Deluge. A deluge of tropical rain fell on us.
Humid. It's too humid today.
Shower. There was a hard shower. Flood. The flood is a disaster. Thunder. Thunder crashed in the sky. Lightning. The tree was struck by lightning. Forecast. Rain is forecast for the weekend. Cloud. Cloudy. It's been cloudy all the day. Gloomy. The sky is getting gloomy. Foggy. The day was cold and foggy. Overcast. The sky was overcast. Clear. After rain, the sky was clear. Snow. Blizzard. We got stuck in a blizzard. Snowfall. There was a heavy snowfall. Snowflake. A single snowflake landed on her nose. Snowstorm. The snowstorm blew in from the north. Hail. Hail fell shortly after the lunch. Sleet. The rain was turning to sleet. Fog. Fog clouded the road ahead. Mist. The hills were shrouded in mist. Haze. I couldn't see her through the haze. Dense fog. The accident occurred due to dense fog. Patchy fog. Drizzle and patchy fog are forecast. Wind. Windy. It was a windy day. Breeze. A light breeze was blowing. Blustery. The day was cold and blustery. Windstorm. The windstorm blew down their houses. Hurricane. The hurricane winds agitated the sea. Gale. A gale was blowing from the east. Stormy. The weather was cold and stormy. Temperature. Hot. It's extremely hot outside. Cold. It was a long, cold winter. Warm. It is nice and warm today. Freezing. It is freezing cold now. Cool. It was a cool weather. Mild. The weather is mild today. Natural disasters. Tornado. The town was hit by a tornado. Drought. The crops failed because of drought. Landslide. The flood caused a landslide. Storm. The storm blew over land and sea. Earthquake. The earthquake depeopled the city. Avalanche. The avalanche struck the ski resort in the morning.